Russia's offer of the Su-57 fifth-generation fighter jet to India marks a significant development in their long-standing defense partnership. This offer is not just a simple transaction, it represents a deepening of military ties and a mutual commitment to enhancing defense capabilities. The Su-57, with its advanced stealth technology and superior combat capabilities, could be a game-changer for India's Air Force. This potential deal has far-reaching implications for both countries and the wider regional security landscape, influencing power dynamics and strategic alliances. For India, this deal comes at a crucial time. The nation is actively seeking to modernize its aging fighter fleet, which has been a growing concern for its defense strategy. The acquisition of the Su-57 could provide a significant boost to India's aerial combat capabilities. India, seeking to modernize its aging fighter fleet, finds itself at a crossroads. The decision to acquire the Su-57 or pursue alternative options will shape India's defense posture for decades to come. This decision is not just about acquiring new technology, but also about aligning with a strategic partner. The decision to acquire the Su-57, or pursue alternative options, will shape India's defense posture for decades to come. The Su-57's advanced features, including its stealth capabilities, supercruise, and advanced avionics, make it a formidable addition to any air force. This essay will delve into the complexities of this offer. It will explore the Su-57's capabilities in detail, examining how its advanced technology can enhance India's defense readiness and operational effectiveness. It will explore the Su-57's capabilities, including its stealth features, advanced avionics, and combat performance. Understanding these capabilities is crucial for assessing the potential benefits and challenges of integrating the Su-57 into India's Air Force. The history of Indo-Russian defense cooperation is rich and long-standing. Over the decades, both nations have collaborated on numerous defense projects, building a foundation of trust and mutual benefit. This historical context is essential for understanding the significance of the Su-57 offer. However, previous collaborations have not been without challenges. Issues such as project delays, maintenance problems, and logistical hurdles have sometimes strained the partnership. These challenges must be considered when evaluating the potential success of the Su-57 deal. Furthermore, it will analyze the strategic considerations for India. This includes how the Su-57 fits into India's broader defense strategy, its impact on regional security, and the potential benefits of strengthening ties with Russia. Expert opinions on the deal will provide valuable insights. Military analysts and defense experts will weigh in on the potential advantages and drawbacks of the Su-57 acquisition, offering a balanced perspective on this critical decision, and its potential impact on India's defense strategy and regional dynamics. The acquisition of the Su-57 could shift the balance of power in the region, influencing India's relationships with neighboring countries and its role on the global stage. This new chapter in Indo-Russian defense ties promises to be a pivotal moment in the history of both nations. The Su-57, Russia's answer to the American F-22 Raptor and F-35 Lightning II, boasts an array of advanced features. Its stealth capabilities, designed to evade radar detection, are central to its appeal. The aircraft is also equipped with cutting-edge avionics, including a powerful radar system and sophisticated electronic warfare suite. Furthermore, the Su-57 possesses super maneuverability, allowing it to perform complex aerial maneuvers. This agility, combined with its high speed and long range, makes it a formidable platform for air superiority missions. The prospect of incorporating such a technologically advanced fighter jet into its arsenal has certainly piqued the interest of the Indian Air Force. India and Russia share a long and storied history of defense cooperation, a partnership that has evolved and strengthened over the decades. This collaboration dates back to the Cold War era, a time when geopolitical tensions were high and alliances were crucial for national security. The Soviet Union, and subsequently Russia, has been a major supplier of military hardware to India, providing essential equipment that has bolstered India's defense capabilities. This includes iconic fighter jets like the MiG-21, MiG-29, and Su-30 MKI, which have formed the backbone of the Indian Air Force for decades, showcasing the strength and reliability of Russian engineering. Beyond fighter jets, the collaboration extends to a wide array of military hardware, including tanks, warships, missiles, and other critical defense technologies. These assets have been pivotal in maintaining India's strategic edge. This enduring partnership has been underpinned by strategic convergence, mutual trust, and a shared desire to counterbalance Western influence. The regular high-level meetings and joint military exercises further cement this robust relationship. The offer of the Su-57, Russia's fifth-generation fighter jet, represents a continuation of this long-standing relationship, albeit with new complexities and opportunities. This advanced aircraft symbolizes the next step in defense cooperation, promising to enhance India's aerial capabilities significantly. As both nations navigate the evolving geopolitical landscape, their defense cooperation remains a cornerstone of their bilateral relations. The ongoing negotiations and agreements reflect a mutual commitment to security and technological advancement. The decades of defense cooperation between India and Russia are a testament to their enduring alliance, built on a foundation of shared goals and mutual respect. This partnership continues to thrive, adapting to new challenges and opportunities in the global arena. The current Su-57 offer cannot be viewed in isolation. It is deeply intertwined with the history and experiences of past collaborations between India and Russia in the field of advanced military aviation. It comes on the heels of the joint fifth-generation fighter aircraft FGFA project, which ultimately fell through in 2018. This ambitious project aimed to develop a cutting-edge fighter jet that would meet the future needs of both nations. The FGFA, envisioned as a customized variant of the Su-57 tailored to Indian specifications, faced numerous challenges. These challenges were not just technical but also involved complex negotiations and strategic decisions. Disagreements over work-sharing arrangements, technology transfer, and cost overruns plagued the project. The intricate details of who would be responsible for what and how much each side would invest became significant sticking points. India, seeking greater design input and access to critical technologies, felt that its concerns were not adequately addressed. The desire for a more substantial role in the development process and access to sensitive technologies was a major factor in the project's difficulties. The failure of the FGFA project has undoubtedly cast a shadow over the current Su-57 offer. The memories of unmet expectations and unresolved issues linger, influencing current negotiations and decisions. India will be looking for assurances that the mistakes of the past are not repeated. Clear commitments on technology transfer, cost-sharing, and collaborative development will be crucial for rebuilding trust and moving forward with the Su-57 offer. India faces a complex web of strategic considerations as it contemplates the Su-57 offer. Cost is a major factor, as acquiring and maintaining a fleet of advanced fighter jets is an expensive proposition. India must weigh the Su-57's capabilities against its budgetary constraints and the need to invest in other defense priorities. Technology transfer is another crucial aspect. India, seeking to bolster its indigenous defense industrial base, is keen on acquiring not just the aircraft, but also the know-how to build and maintain them. The level of technology transfer that Russia is willing to offer will be a key determinant in India's decision-making process. Section 6. Expert opinions weighing the benefits and drawbacks. Expert opinions on the Su-57 offer are divided. Proponents of the deal argue that it would provide India with a much-needed capability boost. They contend that the Su-57's advanced features would enhance India's air superiority over its rivals in the region. Critics, however, express reservations about the Su-57's true capabilities. They point to delays in its development and question whether it truly meets the criteria of a fifth-generation fighter jet. They also raise concerns about potential reliability issues and the cost-effectiveness of the deal. Section 7. The domestic factor impact on India's AMCA program. The Su-57 offer also has implications for India's own indigenous fifth-generation fighter jet program, the Advanced Medium Combat Aircraft, or AMCA. Some argue that acquiring the Su-57 could complement the AMCA program by providing valuable technological insights and experience. Others, however, fear that the Su-57 deal could undermine the AMCA project. They argue that diverting resources towards a foreign platform could hinder the development of India's own indigenous capabilities. India must carefully consider the potential impact of the Su-57 on its long-term goal of achieving self-reliance in defense production. Section 8. Regional ripples, shifting power dynamics in Asia. The Su-57, if acquired by India, would have significant implications for regional power dynamics. It would bolster India's deterrence capabilities against its main rivals, China and Pakistan. China's growing assertiveness in the region, coupled with its own fleet of fifth-generation fighter jets, makes India's pursuit of advanced capabilities all the more urgent. The potential acquisition of the Su-57 could further cement India's position as a leading military power in the Indo-Pacific region. It would also likely intensify the arms race in the region, as neighboring countries seek to maintain their own military balance. Section 9. Conclusion. A decision with far-reaching consequences. Russia's offer of the Su-57 fighter jet to India presents a complex dilemma for New Delhi. The potential benefits in terms of enhanced capabilities must be weighed against the costs, technological uncertainties, and potential impact on India's indigenous defense industry. Ultimately, the decision will hinge on a careful assessment of India's strategic priorities, budgetary constraints, and long-term vision for its defense posture. The choice made by India will have profound implications for its own security, its relationship with Russia, and the regional balance of power in Asia.